My dear students, brothers and sisters, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Today my topic is opinion, mind. What is in mind? The opinion, and in Gurbani what has been explained thoroughly by the Guruji in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. By the grace of true Guru, Guru Granth Sahib Ji, I want to make the effort in this topic to clear some aspects of mind. You are sitting here in front of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and with the grace of true Guru, we will be able to clear or clean our mind through the vices. मन तू जोत स्वरूप है अपना मूल पछाण. O mind, you are the light of God. You are the light of God. A little ray of God. मन तू जोत स्वरूप है. O my mind, try to recognize you are the embodiment of light. अपना मूल पछाण. Where is your origin? From where you came? Origin, starting point. Oh my mind, opinion, where you started your journey. मन तू ज्योत स्वरूप है. Guruji is saying indications to mind, and they are saying, oh my mind, within you there is a light of God. Light of God is there within you. You are the embodiment of the light of God. अपना मूल पछाण. From where you started your journey, where your origin is. Just like if we accept this topic on us, I am 40 years old. From where my origin is, by the union of my father and my mother. This body emerged. Origin is the union of father and mother. We all have. In this world, everything has its own origin. Starting point. Starting point of body is the union of father and mother, but inside the body there is opinion, a mind, from where it has started its journey. What is the origin point? We want to be confirmed about this. We want to have the knowledge about this opinion, where from it started its journey. मन तू जोत स्वरूप है अपना मूल पछाण. As we know our origin, this flesh, origin of this body is the union of two bodies, and after that I emerged. My body's origin was there, and where my mind's origin, where is that? एहो मन आरसी कोई गुरमुख विख है. This mind is a mirror. In front of mirror we get ready in the morning time, before going for work, before going to office. Every morning we get ready in front of mirror. Mirror always tells truth, shows the reality of our face, which type we are looking, which type we will present ourselves in front of the people, where we have to contact in the daytime. A human RC, the mind is also the mirrors. But koi gurmukh dekhe. Gurmukh means whose face is towards the Guru. Whose face is towards the Guru. Who is ready to dispel his vices and who wants to grasp the virtues. He is Gurmukh. A human RC. Otherwise, for other people, it's not the RC, not the mirror. They are an illusion. They are not getting ready on the way of religion. They are just indulged in the vices and wasting their life. They are indulged in the vices, totally wasting their life. Indulge in vices. Whatever they have concentrated on the point, if they have pointed on the family, on the property, they are not going to get the sigh of bliss. And if they are concentrating on the property, on the family, one by one, each and everything will be slipped from his hands. Sab duniya aavan janiya. Each and everything must slip from his hand. But whatever he want to search from there, a bliss he can't realize there, because the source of bliss is Shabad. Concentration through sound. Sound, Shabad, concentration on Shabad. The journey towards the bliss will be started, because bliss is God. Bliss is God. This is the virtue of God. And we all need bliss in our life. We all need. But the way is different. Only Gurmukh, educated person, not worldly educated, who has the knowledge, this is a halt, this is the journey, not the destination. The target of my life is the realization of God. I am coming from a long journey. I have to go from here. And whatever my Guru has given the task, I have to fulfill before the death of this body. He realized he is educated and he is Gurmukh. Eho man RC, the mirror, koi Gurmukh vekhe, can see a Gurmukh. This is the mirror. What is there? My journey, from where started, where ended. The journey of mind is different thing. The journey of this body is different thing. Journey of bodies has been started from the union of my father and mother and will be ended with the death of this body. The journey of mind, the origin of mind, is from the creation of this universe. And we have to accept the virtues and dispel the vices through the Shabad. If this abides in the mind of a person, he is Gurmukh. Eho man RC, koi Gurmukh vekhe, hand virle nahi kane. Only some people in this world can realize this point of view of Gurmat. Only few persons can realize this aspect of Gurbani in their life. Eho man RC, कोई गुरमुख विखे। क्यों? वाय? मन तू जोत स्वरूप है, अपना मूल पछाण, because we are going to find out the origin of mind opinion. Topic is mind opinion in the Gurbani. What is said by the Guruji in Guru Granth Sahib Ji regarding mind? We are concentrating, we all are concentrating here towards the journey of mind, origin of mind, and what is there in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Eho man maila ek na te aaye. Now what is the problem? Eho man maila. This mind is filthy, soiled. Ek na te aaye. Not concentration, not concentrated on Shabad, not vibrating, memorizing upon the true name, because mind is filthy. Eho man maila ek na te aaye. It's not concentrating on the true name, because indulged in the vices. Virtues are not there. We have to grasp the virtues through Shabad, because we are on the journey of the Gurmat way. Gurmat way. We are going on the Gurmat way. Shabad is the light. Shabad is the sound. By the help of Shabad, we can go, we can proceed on this way. This is the fact. But eho man maila ek na te aaye. Antar mail lagi. Antar mail lagi bahut duje paaye. Where is the filth? Where is the stained, soiled mind? Antar mail lagi. Because in thoughts vices are there. And if the vices are there, he will be satisfied with the little things, and that things will not be with him. A person is satisfied with the little things, and little things will be dispelled, will be slipped from his hand, and he will be in sorrows, he will be in sufferings. Eho man maila ek na te aaye. Not concentrating upon the true name, because it is filthy. Antar mail lagi. Mind is filthy, because filth is inside. Antar mail lagi. Filth is inside. In thought, vices are there. Bahut duje paaye. Duality is there. This is the main danger on the way of religion. If duality is there, dual-minded, should I go or not? Should I go or not? Should I stop? Should I go? Should I go? Should I stop? Should I go on this way? Should I go on this way? What to do? What not to do? Decision making power is not strong. And through Gurbani, decision making power you will get from the Gurbani. Eho man maila ek na te aaye. Antar mail lagi bahut duje paaye. Duality is there. If duality is there, one can't meditate, memorize, vibrate on the true name, on the true Shabad. Concentration will be weak, because on the same time he is concentrating other things. Which things he is concentrating? Sab duniya avan janiya, which are going to slip, disappear, erased from this world. So many things has been erased in front of us. Our grandfathers, grandmothers, ancestors. We were finding the bliss with them, but they are not with us. They left us. And one by one, others are leaving us. What we are doing? Have a deep look. Have a deep look, and you will be realized. Because in Gurbani it has been set up, De lammi nadar nihali hai. Look deep inside you, you will get the answer of the life. For what you are living, for what you are here, what is the destination. These answers we will get from the Gurbani. Gurbani is not only for us, for the entire world. For all the people who are living on this planet, Gurbani is for all. Upadesh chahu varna ko sanja. The teachings available for all, and all will have to accept it. Nobody can live, or I can say nobody can live effectively without Gurbani, without Guru Granth Sahib, without the teaching of Guru Granth Sahib. Nobody can. It's very deep thought, hard to understand. But in the congregation, we are here, we are making the efforts. You are grasping, I am also grasping these little steps, and we all collectively will pass out the journey of the religion. We will pass, sure, because Shabad Guru is with us. We are under the light of Shabad Guru. We are under the teaching of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Kabir man pankhi payo, ud deh dis jaye. Like a bird, might always fly in the 10 directions. Kabir man pankhi payo, ud deh dis jaye, means thoughts are coming from 10 directions. These are the indications. Mixed thoughts, virtues, vices, coming and going, because in mind these comes and goes. Vice come, virtue goes, virtue comes, vices goes. Kabir man pankhi payo, like a bird, the opinion, change the opinion, time to time, 100 times in a day. Kabir man pankhi bhayo, ud deh dis jaye, in 10 directions flies. Jo jaisi sangat kare, congregation, jo jaisi sangat kare, the type of congregation, it's a religious congregation. We are here, and someone who want to meet on the wine shop, his meeting will produce the vices. Jo jaisi sangat kare, so taiso phal khaye. Phal, what is the fruit? You are here, you will ripe the crop, ripe the fruit of virtues. And who is standing on the wine shop? He will ripe the crop of vices. His thoughts brings vices. After drinking wine, what he will do, we all know about this. We don't like to go on such type of the talking. But this is the picture of mind. कबीर मन पंखी भयो, उड उड दह दिस जाए, जो जैसी संगत करे सो तैसो फल खाए. Fruits are there, deeds are there, good deeds, bad deeds, good deeds virtue, bad deeds vices. Virtues will go with you on the journey of religion, and the vices also having the journey where opposite direction from the religion in the hell. If all the vices are there, contentment is not there. Whatever you are doing, do it, and ultimately you will find you have nothing. With the contentment, if you are in the family, you are living very happy life, your wife is satisfied, your children are satisfied, you are living a happy life, it's the contentment. And contentment, if not there, then you are wasting your life. You are concentrating on the aspect which are going to slip according to age, one by one. Not according to age, that will slip surely, and time will give you the answer. So we concentrated and we get the directions. Whatever in the mind is there. If the virtues are there, we may live our life effectively. If the vices are there, we will spoil our life. We must concentrate on Shabad, on sound, concentration, set on that sound, on Shabad, holy congregation, service of the mankind. We must start. The virtues will come in our mind. If the virtues will come, vices will be disappear, erased, and we will live happy life. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।